the pieces that I wanted to share with you. I really hope you enjoyed this haul. I'm going to vlog today. Hey, hello. So I'm starting off another vlog right now. As you saw, I just finished filming two hauls, H&M haul and Flipkart parcels kind of haul and unboxing kind of thing that I did. Now I'm making myself lunch, quick lunch, a spinach rice, and I will pan fry tomato and make an omelette. So that sounds really healthy and easy to make, so I'll make that, and then we will make a cake together later today, because all the mangoes, hopefully you can see at the background anyway, so they are kind of getting rotten, so I will make a cake so I can make use of them. I don't know what to tell more. I just thought to start off another vlog today so I don't run out of my content and all that. So hopefully you enjoy watching me and how I manage myself making vlogs, speaking to you at the same time. Hope you're enjoying it. Hi, hello everyone. So I'm just about to make a cake. For the first time I'm vlogging and making a cake together. So it has got dark outside, like as you can see it's almost 7 something, so that's the time and I'm making cake. So let's make the cake together. I don't know how it will turn out. I'm hoping, I have tried it before once and it turned out to be really delicious and so tasty, so I thought I would do it again and we'll make a vlog, which is why I'm taking you along with me. So let's make the cake together. Okay, so as the ingredients, taken 2 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. My measurements, I will just don't take my measurements for cooking. I have watched couple of videos how to make a cake and all that, but I'm not a good cook, I'm not a good cake maker or anything, so just don't take my measurements. I'm just showing you the steps and what I usually take. Okay, now I'm adding mango that I chopped and made a mix of that. So okay, now we are adding oil. I'm so bad at it, I'm asking him every single time how to do it and all that, so I'm just trying to take a measurement. So I'm taking this bowl to take a rough measurement. Okay, so now I'm adding some oil. Just I'm going to take measurements as just I'm measuring them because I have done them once already. Some baking powder baking powder, vinegar, some sugar for sweetness, because cake is all about sweetness. And now I'm going to add some powder milk. cake is ready. I'm yet to taste it. As of now, it turned out to be not that bad, but the first one I tried was even better. I will show you a picture somewhere in this screen. This is how it turned out to be, like a small thin one. Anyways, in the meantime, I took a quick shower and changed my outfit, like as you can see, the new one. I tested it. It turned out to be not that bad, but the first one I tried was even better. Anyway, so thanks so much for watching. I'm ending the vlog here. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Please thumbs up the video and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And yeah, thanks again. Bye.